I have a question. Should you dash with your kids? Hey, Hannibal here, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to ask the question, should you dash or do any kind of gig work with children in your car? Personally, I do not, for many reasons. The biggest reason is not even necessarily the safety issue. I just know that my boy is going to be bored as hell and spending the entire time on a tablet. There's no fun driving around picking up food he can't eat and drive and get into places that he's not going to be able to get into. So instead of putting him through all that, I'd rather wait until I have free time to dash. He does go on my dog walks because it's easy to handle and he enjoys walking with me. I came across a video post where a woman talked about being deactivated from Doordash. I won't use any of her content on my video because I just want to be respectful of her. I know she's going through a tough time. Doordash was a large source of her income. The reason of her deactivation is because of her low completion rate. She mentioned that she would take her kids on dashes, and there were many times where she had to cancel an order, not because she couldn't complete necessarily, it's because one of her kids had to use the bathroom or there was some sort of emergency. She wasn't able to complete these orders, so she had to reassign. Her completion rate dipped below the 80% and therefore was deactivated. From the post, it seemed like she wasn't paying attention to her completion rate. It seemed like it hit her and got her confused and kind of, basically she was not prepared for the news that her account was deactivated. She was not paying attention to her completion rate, which is rather unfortunate. She mentioned in the video that she was a single mom. I know it's tough out there for single parents to go out there and make money and take care of the kids at the same time. You can't help but feel for her in her situation. This is how life is, unfortunately. However, if she kept up with her completion rate, realized it was too low, and found a way to dash without her kids, she would still have her Doordash account. Kids, especially young children, can be extremely distracting.
Daddy, can we go to McDonald's?
You got some McDonald's money?
Y'all quit fighting back there! I said quit!
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game. Look at where we are.
When you're out there dashing, you need to pay attention to so many different things. You need to pay attention to the app, the road, the restaurant, and the customer. You are more open to making a mistake because you have to deal with so many different things. And what about safety? Have you heard a story about a gig worker named Jeffrey Fang in San Francisco a couple of months ago?
The manhunt is underway after 2 children were taken in a frightening carjacking in San Francisco overnight.
This is the neighborhood where Doordash delivery driver Jeffrey Fang was making a delivery last night when his van was carjacked, his kids inside.
On Saturday night, Fang, working for Doordash, brought his toddlers, citing childcare as an issue. What was meant to be a quick delivery in San Francisco's Pacific Heights turned horrific.
The incident happened, the struggle with the thief is at about 8:45 p.m. When I finished the struggle with them, and ran back to the original location. That must have been about maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So I would say close to 8:50, 9-ish. So they say like 9 o'clock to now.
Now the siblings thankfully are back home tonight with their parents after police found that van in the Bayview district.
Luckily the kids are okay, and tonight Dad has a lot of people to thank.
God, thank God, just thank God.
Jeffrey Fang was overjoyed to hold his son, 1-year-old Sean, who was kidnapped along with his 4-year-old sister Winifred Saturday night.
This dude could have lost his children. He was working outside late at night with 2 young children in a car, probably not in the best of neighborhoods, with an old vehicle, unlocked. Sometimes it's just important to realize that just because there is money out there, we still need to focus on making the right decisions. Our children are the most important thing in the world. If we cannot secure a safe environment for them, then what's the point? We cannot put our kids in danger for any company, let alone Doordash. I don't think it's a good idea to dash with your children in the car, especially with young children. It's not safe, and they will find ways to distract you. Not on purpose, but that's just how kids are. It is best to work around their schedule where you can find someone to watch them for you so you can work more efficiently and safely. I know there's desperate times out there, and you have to do what you have to do. There's no judgments here, just my opinion on the matter. Do what you have to do, but please make sure you think of your children first. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.